Hi everyone, it's me again. I'm back with another video, and today I'm here to share a little Tuesday morning haul. I bought a few things, not too much. I have been searching for a punch that everybody's been getting, or I've seen everyone getting. And I never could find it. I don't know why. I never found it until now. And it is this punch. It's the tag punch from We Are Memory Keepers. And I've already tried it out and I absolutely love it. And let me show you some of the tags I made. It punches out, it only punches out the top portion of the tag, and it punches 2-inch, 1.5-inch, and 1-inch size tags, which are perfect for little gifts and things. So this is the 1-inch tags. Oops, sorry. And then these stickers are from Target that I just bought yesterday. Let me show you what they are. So these are the new stickers from Target. I didn't go crazy this year, which I'm glad. I didn't find a lot of stuff. I did find some paper, some glitter paper, 6x6 paper, and I'll show that later. So this is the 1.5-inch punch, and then this is the 2-inch punch. I just added some stickers on the bottom. Halloween is close, getting close actually, and I needed some tags, and I'm so glad I found this punch. So that's what I found at Tuesday morning. Then I also found these charms, and this is like my favorite. I love anything sewing related. I don't know why. I don't sew a lot. I keep thinking to myself that I will one day. So it has and they were only $1.49, so I couldn't pass this up because they're usually what, $3.99, $4.99. So there's a spool, button, sewing machine, and a scissors. I love that. And then this one was really cool. It has a mirror, a real mirror, a shoe, I think this is a purse, and then this is a book. So I thought that was really cute and vintagey. So that was also $1.49. What else I was going to show you? Oh, I did go to Hobby Lobby, and I still can't find that dang old paper. I'm giving up. I'm just totally giving up on that paper. Anyway, I have enough paper. I don't really need any more. But it's okay. I found this trim because the trims trims that are on the roll were half off, and I love this. It's like a champagne brown rosette trim, and I bought 2 of them because I could see using this in journals and on tags, and because they're not very dimensional. So you could definitely put this in your journal or on a index card, memory dex card, or whatever. So that's why I bought that. Then I took it out of the packaging already, but I found these mini, what do you call these? Cabochon beads. They're actually beads. They have holes in them. So you could actually put this on a pin, which, let me show you. I have I don't know what they're called. These pins that I got at Walmart. And what you do is, these beads would look so cute on a pin. If I can find the stinking hole. Okay, maybe not. It does not go all the way, but I think I'm gonna. So these can go on little pins and stuff like that. Isn't that cute? I think that would look, it doesn't dangle though, which is a bummer. But I bet you could put it on a stick pin, on a paper clip maybe. So I don't know. So they came in this color, this pink, some ivory, and they were only 99 cents. And I found 2 packages of it. And I was like, oh my gosh. I think it's tiny enough, you know, that you could definitely put on little projects and stuff. So I'm kind of happy that I found it. So that is my Tuesday morning Hobby Lobby haul. And I don't think, well, I could show you my Target haul too. I found, where is that other paper that it's a glitter paper. I don't know if you guys have seen this. I haven't been watching a lot of Target haul videos. But so this is the glitter paper I found at my Target. And the only thing is that it does come off. I mean, not a whole lot. Well, not too much, but I think it does flake off. But it comes 15 sheets, 5 different designs. So, and they're $3. And I don't have a lot of glitter paper, so I thought, what the hell? I'll get that. And then I found this fall paper that I thought would be nice to do that patchwork card and find a leaf template, I'm thinking, or even a pumpkin. Wouldn't that be cool? I do have a pumpkin die that I think I want to try that out and see if I can do that. So that's what I'm planning on doing with that. Then I found this Halloween stamp set, and it says, Hocus Pocus, enter if you dare, Happy Halloween, a skull, October 31st, and a pumpkin face. So I don't have anything, especially these two. These two are the ones that I really like the best. So I got that. Then I got this chalkboard. I don't know what I'm going to use it for. I'm thinking I might put it in my foyer, I don't know, for Halloween and Thanksgiving and maybe Christmas, and decorate it. And I don't know. We'll see. I don't know. I'm still thinking about that. But I like that chalkboard. And then here is the sticker. I got 2 packs of it. I don't know why. I always get 2 just in case. So yeah, these were $1. Very cute. Oh, and that chipboard thing, the chalkboard was $3, I think. Yep, that was $3. And this is also $3. And then this is $1. So yeah, I am done. I am not shopping anymore. I'm gonna go on my own freeze. I just bought some tapes for my typewriter that I just bought. If you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen my Smith Corona electric typewriter I bought off of Marketplace for $10, and I went online and I found tape for it for $7 a piece. So I was floored and I bought that. I got some things from Cottage Cuts. I'm waiting. And I bought some books from Patty Lang. So I'm anxious on those. And that's it. So I'm done. I'm not shopping anymore until next year. So that's it. Hopefully. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.